doing here is we're trying French Drain Man's 3.5 inch. This is new pipe, 3.5 inch pipe. It's gonna be blue. This is just testers, and I mean, pretty damn strong pipe. I'm amazed with it. I was opposed to it because I like the big 4 inch, but I mean, this stuff is still the same strong. The same. I mean, this stuff is crazy. Much lighter too. Right here, we had to go super shallow because of all these pipes, all these pool pipes and everything. I tried to build slope, and no matter what, you find another pipe, you find wiring, everything in your way. So we're gonna build a mini French drain right here, collect all the bulk water right here. We're gonna go so shallow because of all these pool pipes and all this crap in our way. There's wiring, there's pool pipes, there's irrigation pipes, there's everything in your way here. So we had to start the French drain super shallow. Plus, this yard is flat, so there's no way we create fall underground. As you guys can see here, we have French Drain Man's 3.5 inch pipe going right under there. You know, we can't go any deeper. Look at this other pipes here. We have pipes everywhere. Electrical, pool pipes, everything. We have all these wires over here. All these wires through here. So we have French Drain Man's 3.5 inch pipe going all through here. It has the Y connectors, everything in place. On the other side of this fence, we're jumping into 4 inch. All right, so you guys can see over here, we finally got over the fence. And then we find a pipe right there. So because of that pipe, we couldn't get a 4 incher. Now we would have to go even deeper, and we really couldn't go any more deeper. Then we transition to 4 inch through a catch basin. So we have French Drain Man's female coupling. It goes in like a glove into the catch basin, just the same way as all his male 4 inch coupling that I have on this side. So we're running in 3.5 inch. Dumping everything in here, and then from here it fills up, and we have 4 inch. You can see we didn't want to cut all the roots to this tree. There was a lot of little roots at the bottom. Like I said, we had to be shallow. This yard is flat. There's not that much slope here. We have main water lines, sprinkler lines. There's a lot of stuff in our way, a lot of obstacles. More sprinklers. 3 sprinkler pipes right there, all together. So we have French Drain Man's 3.5 inch pipe going into all the downspouts right now. And our main line is 4 inch. So now we have catch basins to collect any surface water, and any roof shingle gravel will sit in the catch basin, any excess debris. Right here we're gonna have another one. And then we have everything getting ready to exit under the sidewalk. The French Drain Man's 3.5 inch pipe, definitely it will be a use for us. Go super deep sometimes, you lose the fall, and then you have to end up putting a pump. I don't like to sell people pumps all the time, but if I tell you need a pump, it's because you need a pump. You know, and I apologize if I haven't gotten it back to everybody. I'm one person. I got a crew helping me, you know, with just the excavating. And here, we didn't have no crew. It was my wife and my son helping me from time to time. This is something that, you know, DIYer can do themselves. It's having the right materials and knowing what you're doing. That's basically the whole point of this. Having the right materials and knowing what you're doing. Making sure that fall, you need that fall when you're running through here. You don't want to use a trencher. I don't like using trenchers. I don't like using any machinery because there's so much things. Had I went in here with a trencher, I would have cut all these pipes and I would have to repair everything. You know, 811 comes out and marks, but they don't mark everything. Like this property, we started with 811 coming out. They still haven't came out and marked everything. Had we still waited for these people to finish, we'd be here another 2 or 3 weeks waiting to start this job. But me and the client talked, and we got the job started. Nothing's broken, everything's in point. And the 3.5 inch pipe, it's gonna help a lot of people out that are, especially DIYers, people that don't do this for a living. Us, we will use it here in Florida. We'll use it. We're gonna use it as, you know, to branch it off into a 4-inch pipe. If you guys like our videos, please like and subscribe. It helps support the channel. You know, we're still learning how to record these videos for you guys and how to put them intact for you. You know, I know how to install. I know what I'm doing, and I'm trying to show you guys little by little, and results as always. We show you that the stuff works.